Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about what is the meaning of positive and normative economics and how the positive economics and normative economics are different from each other. So let's start our topic. Now, positive and normative economics are two standard branches of modern economics. Modern economics have two standard branches, which is one is positive economics, second is normative economics. Normative economics. Now let's take overview of positive and normative economics. Positive economics explains and describes the various economic phenomena and economic theory, and positive economics is known as the what is branch of economics. It is known as what is branch of economics. On the other hand, normative economics described as it focuses on the value of economic fairness, and in normative economics, now we can understand what should be the economy and what ought to be. So in normative economics, what should be or what ought to be. Hence, positive economics is what is the branch of economics, and normative economics is what should be or what ought to be the branch of economics. Now, let us take some key points. So, those points which are helpful to you to understand positive and normative economics. Now, there are some key points. First is positive economics describes and explains various economic phenomena and various economic activities by asking what is, and it is also called as what is the branch of economics. Positive economics, known as what is branch of economics, as it describes various economic phenomenon. Now, positive economics is known as what is the branch of economics, as it describes various economic theories or economic phenomena. On the other hand, normative economics is considered as the branch of economics that tries to determine the desirability of different peoples on different kind of economic programs and conditions launched by the government. And in normative economics, it by asking those questions that what should be the economy and what ought to be the economics programs should be. So in normative economics is considered the branch of economics that tries to determine the desirability of people on different economic programs or conditions by asking what should be or what ought to be. So from this point, positive economics is known as what is branch of economics, and normative economics is known as what should be or what ought to be branch of economics. Now let us take the second key point, which is positive economics is descriptive in nature and normative economics is prescriptive in nature. Now, positive economics is descriptive in nature because in positive economics, as positive economics is known as what is branch of economics, it describes the various theories of economics. That's why it is known as descriptive in nature. And normative economics is known as prescriptive economics, and because as we analyze various theories by the desirability of people, that what should be the economic programs and what ought to be the economics program, that why it is known as prescriptive in nature. And our next key point is positive economics is based on facts, while normative is based on value judgment. Now, positive economics is based on facts while normative is based on value judgments. Why positive economics is based on facts? Because in positive economics we only do what is things and it is based on facts, as in positive economics we also can determine the validity of fact, that it is proven or disproven. So in hence in normative economics it is based on value judgment, because we can give judgments on the facts, that what should be it and what ought to be it. So positive economics is based on facts while normative is based on value judgments. Let's take us an example on positive and normative economics. So that example, by this example you are able to understand what is positive and normative. Government provide health care facilities increases healthcare facilities increases public expenditure. As in this statement, there is we can deduce that there is no value judgments attached to it, as this is a fact that government provide healthcare facilities, and by providing healthcare facilities the expenditure on public of government is increased. So there is no value judgment in this statement, and the validity of this statement can be proven, and or disproven by studying about the facts and figures, how the government spend and how much the government spend on healthcare facilities. So this statement is positive economic statement. Now if I change this statement that government should provide basic healthcare facilities to all the citizens. Now I change the statement that government should provide basic healthcare facilities to all the citizens, as we deduce in this statement that it is a value judgment, as government should provide, where should word is come, that it is a normative statement, and in this statement we cannot find the validity of this statement. It is proven or disproven. We cannot prove this statement as it is a value judgment and it is rooted by personal perspective, and it satisfies the condition of what should be or what ought to be. So this statement is normative economic statement. Now from both of these examples, I hope you will all clear about what is the meaning of positive and normative statement. Now let us summarize. First is positive, normative. As we studied that in positive, it is called as what is the branch of economics, and it is called as what should be or what ought to be. This is first point, and second point is it is based on facts and figures, and in normative it is based on value judgments. Third point is it is descriptive in nature. Descriptive in nature, and it is prescriptive in nature. And fourth is it can be proven or disproven. And fourth point of normative economics is can't be proven. So summary is that positive economics is known as what is branch of economics, and normative is what should be and what ought to be. And positive economics is based on facts and figure, as it explains the various economic phenomena and various economic topics and theories. So it is based on facts and figures. And normative economics is based on value judgment, as we give the personal prescriptions about the statements. And third point is it is descriptive in nature, as it explains various theories, and it is prescriptive in nature, as we give the value judgments and our analysis and our observations about the statements. And fourth point is positive economics can be proven or disproven, as we have facts and figures, and by studying those facts and figures we can prove that the statement is true or not. And it can be proven as it is a value judgment of some personal individual, so it cannot be proven. So that's it for our topic, positive and normative economics. I hope you will all clear about these concepts of positive and normative economics. So in our next video we will going to discuss about the scope of business economics. So till then, bye bye.